Hey everyone, it's Rob from Spectrum and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're unboxing and taking a closer look at the brand new Studio Buddy Light Tent 2.0. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit that notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Studio Buddy 2.0. Follow us on social media at Spectrum Photo Video and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com. The Studio Buddy 2.0 is a photographic light tent that allows you to take professional looking product photos. You can shoot at either the front of the light box or from the top, which has an opening that allows you to shoot top down or flat lay type shots. You can see here we have two sizes that we're displaying. There's actually three available. They come in 40 centimeters, 60 centimeters, and 80 centimeter tents. So depending on the size of your product, you'll select the size that's appropriate for you. So what's included with the Studio Buddy 2.0? Firstly, you have the light tent itself. You can see it has a carry handle and is collapsible. You have three different backdrops, and that comes in black, white, and also orange. You have two LED strips here, as well as a spare mounting bracket just in case one of the mounting brackets of the lights breaks for any reason. You also have the bottom supporting bar, so when you're opening and constructing the tent, you'll use this to place across the bottom of the light tent. You have a light diffuser, and this is to further diffuse the LED lights. And lastly, you have the power cable. To construct the light tent is relatively easy. Firstly, grab the folded light tent like so. There's a few Velcro attachments here, so you just need to remove that strap there. You'll know it's the top because the handle is located at the same location. And also, when opening up, what you'll find is that you'll have to grab the bottom corner here to expand out. And the opening will be the front of your light tent. Now you grab the bottom supporting bar and you attach it to the bottom frame. This bottom supporting bar allows the tent to maintain its shape. The next step would be to mount the lights to the tent, and you want to mount this to the top. Similar to the bottom crossbar, you mount it to the frame, and you'll want the cable positioned to the right of the tent because there's an opening here that allows you to feed the cable through for power. You can see the cables fed through the top there. Now you can position the other light towards the back. So the first one's been positioned towards the front. And there's the second cable. Now you can see with the power cable there, you have two ports that plug directly into these cables to provide power to the light. You have the optional diffuser that you can mount to the top of the tent here to further diffuse and soften the light so it's not too harsh on your subjects. To mount this diffuser, you have four hooks here, and there are mounting points at the top corners of the tent. You just attach them directly to the frame, and that's the diffused light there. The only thing to note is that when you're using the diffuser, you'll actually be blocking the top flat lay opening to shoot through. So only use the diffuser if you're not going to be planning to shoot top down on your subject. Now you have the front of the tent here, which is the opening, which is a zipper enclosure. And if you want to further block the light or the reflections from the front of your subject, you can use this opening here to shoot the product. Once the tent's constructed, the next step would be to mount the backdrop. There are two mounting points for the backdrop towards the back of the tent. They're actually bull clips. What you'll notice is that the backdrops are already folded in the package, and they're pretty much perfectly folded to suit the tent itself. Once mounted, just make sure that you push the backdrop all the way towards the back. That way it'll fit the tent perfectly. You'll use backdrops such as the ones included to ensure you have a nice clean finish on your product photography shots. There are three provided. You have white, black, and also orange. So depending on the color of your product, you'll use a suitable backdrop. So white would typically be your most popular backdrop, whereas black, you'd be using it to contrast against lighter color products. The next step would be to power the light tent. So with the two cables that you fed through the top here, just plug that into the AC adapter. There is a little dial here. So this dial will control the dimming function of the light. And you'll turn that on and a little LED indicator will come on which shows that you're receiving power to the lights. You'll also notice that the lights themselves will turn on, and you can control the dimmer to get to that level of brightness that you desire for the type of product shot that you're taking. The great thing about this light tent is that there's a reflective material on the inside, so that means it amplifies the light and gives you a lot more cleaner light finish for all your product shots. Just some quick specs on the Studio Buddy 2.0. Firstly, the LEDs are daylight rated at 5500 Kelvin. There's a total of 66 individual LEDs on each of the panels, so you have a total of 132. The light itself is dimmable, so you can dim that from 0 to 100% via the control. The tents are available in 3 sizes, 40 centimeters, 60 centimeters, and 80 centimeters. And these tents overall are perfect for e-commerce stores, for product photography enthusiasts. There's so many different ways that you can utilize this tent, as you can shoot from the front, as well as top-down flat lay. So that was just a quick look at the Studio Buddy 2.0 light tent. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave a like if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the Studio Buddy 2.0, follow us on social media at Spectrum Photo Video and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com.